GoTo Resolve is a remote IT support tool designed to help businesses and IT teams resolve technical issues quickly, no matter where their employees or customers are located. If you're looking for an IT support solution, stick around, because we're diving deep into the benefits of GoTo Resolve, how it stacks up against other similar tools, and what you need to know before deciding if it's the right fit for you. First, let's talk about how GoTo Resolve simplifies remote IT support. It's all about minimizing downtime, and with GoTo Resolve, you get just that. The software allows IT teams to troubleshoot and fix issues without needing to be physically present. Through features like remote desktop control, your IT team can access and resolve problems directly on the user's device, saving valuable time. This is especially crucial when you have employees working remotely or in multiple locations, which is common these days. But is it the best tool for the job? Let's keep going. Next, GoTo Resolve also stands out for its easy-to-use interface. One of the biggest pain points with remote IT support tools is the complexity of navigating them. GoTo Resolve offers a simple and intuitive interface, so even smaller teams or those without an extensive IT background can manage it with ease. You can manage remote sessions, monitor devices, and even access user reports, all in one place. But keep in mind, while it's easy to use, there are a few limitations with advanced reporting and customization. If you need deeper insights or more flexibility, you may run into some walls here. The third thing you should know is that GoTo Resolve is built for scalability. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, but it's particularly strong for small to mid-sized teams. You can start with just a few users and easily scale as your business grows. While scalability is a plus, larger businesses may find that GoTo Resolve lacks some of the high-level features and integrations needed for bigger operations, like complex workflows or automation options found in other tools. Now, one of the benefits worth highlighting is the security features. GoTo Resolve provides end-to-end encryption for every remote session, ensuring that sensitive data stays protected. This is essential for businesses where data security is non-negotiable. That said, there are other tools out there that offer more advanced security measures, such as multi-factor authentication and custom security protocols, which GoTo Resolve still doesn't fully match. Next, GoTo Resolve integrates with other GoTo products, like GoTo Meeting and GoTo Webinar, which makes it a solid choice for businesses already in the GoTo ecosystem. If you're using other GoTo products, it could be a no-brainer. But if you're not, you may want to consider other options that offer better integration with third-party tools that you might already be using, like Microsoft Teams or Slack. So, what's the catch? While GoTo Resolve is a strong contender in the remote IT support space, it's not perfect. It's great for smaller teams and straightforward IT support needs, but if you need advanced features like custom workflows, better reporting, or tighter integrations with your existing software stack, you might want to look elsewhere. At the end of the day, GoTo Resolve is a solid tool for many businesses, but there are alternatives that offer more robust features at a better price, especially when it comes to larger teams or more complex IT needs. But here's the good news. Through our link in the description, you can get an exclusive extended free trial to GoTo Resolve, plus access to other amazing alternatives that we believe offer better solutions for remote IT support, also with a free trial. Check the description for all the details, and if you're serious about optimizing your IT support, don't miss out on these benefits. Thanks for watching!